Hey guys, we are here at Zouderkerk and we have Marleen.
Hi guys.
So Marleen is a sketcher from the Netherlands. She lives in
The Hague, Den Haag. Sounds horrible for a lot of people, but in Dutch it's pronounced Den Haag.
yeah.
And for the English, The Hague.
She's been sketching for how long?
3 years now.
3 years.
Yeah, not that long.
First time I met her was in Taichung in Taiwan last year. She worked behind the scenes as a volunteer. She's going to share with us some of the things that she had to do at the symposium. How tough was it?
It was tough because there are two coordinators. It's Ruud Otte and Gil Howard. They've been busy with this, organizing this symposium for almost, to be honest, I think it's almost 2 years. I got involved a bit later. I was assigned as the volunteer manager. I had to find all the volunteers, and in total we were with 63 volunteers, and it's an amazing job they did. So I ended up with 63 volunteers. All of them were urban sketchers, and it's amazing the job they did. First I had to inform them about all the different tasks we had. It was involving the information desk, a raffle counter, the Urban Sketchers Holland sales, help assisting all the instructors with the workshops, assisting the instructors with the demos. The sketch walks were all organized, and behind the scenes it took a team of 12 people almost a year to organize it the way we did, communicate it to the people all the time. So it was real hard work.
I just want to say that I did the sketch walks and I did meet a lot of the volunteers. They were so warm and friendly and nice despite the heat.
Yeah, despite the heat. That's what's so amazing, because this weather is not Dutch weather. I keep explaining to people, in Holland it never reaches the 39, and then it said it feels like 41 or 42 degrees. It's been incredible, this heat, and people just kept going. And once they entered the church after a volunteer, for instance, after having organized a sketch walk or assisting during a workshop, they ran into the church, sweat all over their body. They wiped it off, took some cold water, and then came to me and asked me, "Marleen, can I help you with something?" I thought, this is so amazing. The spirit was incredible.
A class, team, yeah.
It's been wonderful.
Have you managed to sketch at all during the last 4 days?
No, it's just, I took a very tiny book, hoping I'd be able to sketch, but it had been sketches for maybe I've done in 5 minutes, and it's horrible. But even if I had the time, your mind is still on everything that's happening in the church. This is all you need. This is all you need. This is all you need.
This is all you need for urban sketching. Okay.
I was able to visit a workshop yesterday myself of Rap Sketcherman, because I also started sketching on the iPad, but my head was so busy, and in between I called the church asking them, is everything okay up there? So
so she's going to share with us now her sketchbook, her mini sketchbook that she is so known for. Gail mentioned that she went to the Euro store, she bought the whole lot, went online, bought the whole lot there, and inspired by you.
Yeah,
so
this is a book a friend of mine, Gerline from Austria, she made it herself. She has the right materials to do so. And this was a present to me. So this is a very special book, and I brought it especially for the symposium, hoping I will have the time to do some sketching, but it was so very little.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I started with this one in The Hague, together with Donald Saluling, who was visiting me last week, and then I was in the train up to Amsterdam.
Okay.
This was a very quick one. I think I did 3 times 5 minutes before I started working at 8 up here. So I sat at the bridge around the corner. This one was a very, very quick one I did yesterday evening with Stephanie Bauer, and still not able to color it all. And I didn't even have time to do the coloring of this one. It's of the Zuiderkerk where we are right now. And I always use this color palette. It's very, very tiny.
It's brilliant. It looks like a mint case.
Yeah,
something
yeah.
you buy candy or mint.
Yeah, I bought it in a museum shop and it's very popular. Everybody likes it. It's so cute, but it all fits in my mini pouch, like I call it, because this whole pouch is containing my whole sketching here.
Cecilia.
This is by Cecilia from Hungary.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so happy with it because my sketchbook fits in, my palette fits in, all my pencils and my fountain pens. So everything is in it. I've got my brushes here, also mini brushes, of course. What else? Everything is mini.
Okay. Wow.
So that's my mini pouch
Setup,
filled
yeah.
with stuff.
So you travel light, that's good.
I travel light, yeah. That's the purpose of the whole thing. I don't want to carry a big backpack filled with stuff. This is all I want to carry.
Despite the amount of stuff she had to do, she still managed to pull off some sketches. So that's what it's all about, the whole sketching spirit.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time. Nice to meet you
Thank
again.
Yeah, it was fun meeting you again.
And in your home country.
Yeah, great.
So until maybe the next one, yeah?
I hope so.
Yeah.
This year I won't be visiting the Asia Link. I did 2 times in a row, and I'll be going to other countries later this year. But hopefully next year the Symposium or the Asia Link.
Yeah.
I keep traveling and sketching. So.
Okay. In the meantime, rest well.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
Doei!